All right, this is called Mews, and you can sign up today. Join the program to get unique links to share with hoteliers in need. Get 1,000 once your referral has a demo with us. You'll get 1,000, and you get another 1,000 if the property chooses Mews. You will double your reward. Not bad for clicks. So, who can join the program? Who makes a great partner? Aside from being a Muse officio, you will probably fit into one of these categories. So they have the hospitality professionals. If you work in hospitality, you are a great fit, whether you are a Muse consumer or not. News marketplace partners, tech partners already have great knowledge of Muse in our industry, what makes for excellent advocates. Consultants can be important, trusted advocates for Mules. However, if you already sign a separate agreement, check the TC terms. Everyone working at Mules is welcome to provide recommendations too. We have an internet portal for that too. Great news. And then they also have the hospitality associates, software solution providers, and those part of the associations or tourism group are also welcome to join. So why Muse is worth sharing. Increase indirect bookings with Muse booking engine. You're going to increase your VeriPAR with addition to of automation place of manual tasks, and average RAPA increases official requirements of sales and sale. So, if you are in the hospitality, if you are a consultant, or just looking for more work ways to make money, this is another good way to start doing that. And you can click at the top to go ahead and start it. But it's really a really good lucrative program to do that. But if you don't fit those criteria of what I just explained, that's okay. Just go and do another side hustle that I have on my channel. At this point, it's probably close to 600 videos. So why not go ahead and do that and look for other ways? But other than that, have a great day.